going to look at a few other little things, bits and pieces. I like it. In Menzies' book, if you read Menzies and you study just the Menzies, what Menzies is saying about the Chinese and all that, and you get kind of a story, but then you get PBS, and then you kind of get a slightly turned different kind of story. Now the Chinese are very apt. I mean, they know a lot of stuff, and they know a lot of stuff. You know, knowing how to maneuver in you know, the stars and all that, and get from one place to another and all this stuff is great. But this is paper. You get out in the ocean, the charts don't say nothing about the weather and the rain and the monsoons and the pirates and a lot of other junk that's out there. You know, shipwrecks and all kind of stuff that's out in the ocean that we probably never dreamed of. But there's a lot of things to deal with. So what do Chinese do? Different legs of their journey, they picked up different pilots to help them move along. Now they started out on the Yangtze River. Now we're gonna shift over to the to the map and give you some ideas to what's going on. Yeah, we'll do that in a couple of minutes. But the basic idea is get the local talent to help you move along. In other words, if I'm in a strange city, then what I want to do is talk to the local people. Well, what is going on, and I don't know my way around. I'll ask, you know, maybe I'll get a taxi driver, say, okay, well, take me over here, and you know what's going on in this town, and you know where's things moving, and you know what's happening. A little hood. What's happening? You know what's happening. You know where's the thing shaking at? So we talk to the cab driver. Maybe he can steer us. Okay, well, this place here is popping, that place here is moving, you know, and so you know, we get some insight from the local. And this is what we do. This is what the Chinese do. They are sailing from here to there. They get some local merchants because they're dealing with mercantile. Some local merchants, you know, to give their pilots some assistance. And this is what they did to move along. So it's not just the Chinese are just doing stuff. They are picking up local people to give them assistance, because the local people, they're in the local area, they know what's going on. They know about the rains and the storms and the monsoon season and the dry season, the wet season, and this and that. You know, what to do in a typhoon, what to do in a hurricane, you know, what to do in a tsunami and this and that and all those things. So we're going to look at that.